Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of the AMT 61 Chevrolet Impala SS. And what happened here was I was looking for my next build because I am almost completed on the Autocar dump truck. And I found this box tucked away with the rest of the kits that I've already done unboxings on, and I thought, oh, I should build that one. And then it hit me that I haven't done an unboxing on this one yet. So here we go. This kit here I picked up earlier this year, just after the New Year's, I believe it was. So here's one side. Looks like we're going to have a 409 in there. Nice. A couple different options for wheels. Always nice. This is kit number AMT 1013-12. Don't know what that means. Here's some more info. Paint and cement not included in kit. Alright. And there's the bottom. This is a round 2 version. I don't know if I just mentioned that or not. So, go ahead and set the box up over there. I guess that'll be alright. Oh, right on top we have chrome. We have the grille. I believe it goes that way. Front and rear bumpers. I think this is the front one. Yeah. And we have the hubcaps with no center caps in them. Those must be separate. Yep, here they are here. And then some... Oh, goes this way. I don't know what these are. Maybe they're different center caps. That's what those look like. Although there's 6 of them. I'm not sure what those are just yet. And that I'm guessing that's the centerpiece that goes in between the back seat, up on the back of the back seat. That was always one of my favorite little details of the Impalas. Windshield wipers here. Some door handles right there. Can't really make out what those are. The chrome is so shiny. Oh, you know what? Those are the side mirrors. And this looks like a not the hood ornament, but the fender ornaments. Can you see it in the? They're right there on the tops of the fenders. In later years, those cars had a lot of cars had turn signal indicators up there on the fender. I'm not sure on the 61 if that was the case. Alright, that's it for the chrome. We have 4, 5, 6 tires. Looks like 2 slicks. Decent looking. Goodyears. Nice rubbery feel to them. They're solid, but still kind of on the soft side. Definitely have to scuff them up, make them look pretty. And then these 4 are also Goodyear. I don't know if you can read it. I always have trouble figuring out if you guys can read these things. Trust me, it says it up there. It says Goodyear. Tire tread is decent on these. This goofy looking one here, I don't know what happened to that one. Looked like it got caught in a mold machine a little too much. Got some flashing on there. Alright. Oh, excellent. And here, the first thing I grabbed was the glass. Some little piece of number broke off there. Here's the front windshield and the rear glass. Set of headlights and 2 little marker lights. I'm not sure what those are for, other than they're marker lights. Alright. Oh, nice. Look at there. We have a full set of wheels in its own separate little bag. That's kind of neat. Again, very reminiscent of Krager wheels that were popular in the 60s. Some wheel backings. And then, yeah, got the tail light pieces in the clear red, transparent red, however you want to say it. And one big bag of white parts. And that's it for parts. Let me go ahead and grab the scissors. Hope everyone's having a great day, as always. Alright, we have a beautiful body. Wow, nice thickness, real good and solid. Some weird little thingy hanging off there. We'll have to clean that up when the time comes. Not much to write home about on the inside. It says up here, it says 1961 Chevy Impala, used under license. Alright. A lot of room for some fine details on here. A little bit of bare metal foil maybe, or just if you got a steady hand, you can do some nice painting in there. That'll look really sharp, or tape it off and do it that way too. Nice feel to it. Interesting little detail back here I didn't think about. Wonder what those were. They look like just added trim pieces. Wonder if they had a function. Like if they were vents or something. That wouldn't make any sense though. Here's a cowl up here. Molded in knives. Front end. Fender wells are already in there. And the rear end. Right next to that was the dashboard. Loosen parts here. See if you can get a good view of the dashboard. It has park and brake and clutch and brake pedal molded in. Nice little detail there, the old speaker area. I'll do this one next. This is the chassis, the X-frame. Although the Novas were the X-frame, I'm not sure what they called that. But that's the framework. Fuel tank, area where your spare tire go on this side. Nice little details, you know, decent and very nice thickness. Nice quality on this one. I heard from a lot of guys that the this particular kit has a lot of fitment issues. I am going to do this as my next build when I'm finished with the Autocar dump truck. So I will definitely let you know. Maybe I'll do a video on the build of it and let you know what I run into and see if I can help anyone out. Here's the engine halves for the 409. Very distinct heads for the 409. Intake manifold. Oil pan with the oil filter built in. I think this is a carburetor. Oil filler. And it looks like a little diode if you're into electronics, but I think that's supposed to be the coil. Here's valve covers, exhaust manifolds, fan belt and pulley system. One of these things, I'm not sure what that is. Maybe that's part of the air cleaner. Kind of weird looking. Oh no, here's oh wow, we have two different versions for air cleaners. Got that one there, which is the 409 style, which mounts that way on the engine when you have it in the proper spot. And then just a basic air cleaner. Huh. And a little 5-bladed fan. I don't know how well that would run. Those blades look like they're out of balance. Fan shroud up here. Alright, we'll try to remember if I can read it. Part number 5. I'm going to find out what that is. And here's the tub for the interior. Floor pan, whatever you want to call it. Kind of simple. Interior door panels are very nice looking. Nice thickness on those two, not real flimsy. That's nice. Here is the back seat. No, this is the front seat. This is the front seat with the backing of the front seat. And the hood. It says Chevrolet across the front. Right there. And then, oops, almost dropped her. Almost had a collision. And then the bottom, not a whole lot of detail, but there is something there. Better than just a plain slate of plastic. Here's the rear seat. And this is that thing I was talking about where that chrome piece would go in the back seat. Always love that. Radiator with the core support attached and a little bit of a raised radiator cap. That's cool. Wow, I bet that took some time to get that one right when they were making the molds for that. This here, I believe, is the rear pan, roll pan, and this might be the front bumper roll pan. And the firewall with okay detail, nothing special there. Okay. And we have the exhaust and the hood hinges, steering gear box, drive shaft, little distributor, some wheel backings, and the last part of the tree is suspension parts, front and rear, shocks, coil springs, number 45, we're going to need to figure out what that is too. I have no idea what that one is. And 60, don't know what that is either. Alright, here's the steering column. Very distinct steering wheel. These are the spindles for the front wheels that aren't very, they're just little blocks with little nibs sticking off of them. Here's the water pump and timing chain cover, battery, coolant hose, starter. Don't know what that one is. Oh, that's the back of the alternator. That's or a generator, most likely. And then I have no idea what that one is either. It's too small for me to make out. Number 4, part number 4. So let me get into the instructions here. We have our engine going together. Okay. Yep, coil. That little diode thing was a coil. Good, yep, there's your alternator, generator, rear part, whatever you want to call it. Most likely a generator for the size of it. Do that. Whoop. Okay, one of those parts, 45, is a cross member for the transmission. Alright, that makes sense now. Some little pieces here. 205 was the dash mount. I'm sorry, shifter mount. I seen the dash over here. Squirrel got a hold of me. Let's see. Battery, fan shroud goes on. 5. There's part 5. It is the front of the heater box. That's what that goofy looking little thing was that I thought might have been part of the air cleaner system. It's the heater box, the outer panel that hooks to the firewall. Alright. Kind of a basic kit here. I'm a little nervous when I heard about everybody talking about the fitment, so wish me luck on this one. Wheels, tires. Pretty basic. Okay, and there is some decals. Let me cut them open. Can't imagine what would be on here for decals. Really? Oh wow, there's a lot more on there than I thought there was going to be. I have a California. Oh, excuse me. Goodness. Oh, they're both California plates. One is blue and one is yellow. So, there they are there. I'm sure you can see those. And 409 badging. Some speedometer stuff. Very nice. Impala badging for like the outside. 2016 this kit came out there. I meant to say that earlier and totally forgot. Well, there you have it, folks. You have yourselves a great day. I thank you for stopping by. Be sure to keep an eye out for this video because the build will be coming up as soon as I'm done with the dump truck over there. And I'll let you know how the fitment goes. Now, I know that I have a 61 Impala older kit, and I meant to do a comparison video of the two, but what I'll end up doing is just doing a whole separate video and a build on that one, and then I can tell you what I liked or didn't like about that one compared to this one, and vice versa. So, alrighty, I thank you so much for your time. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Tell your friends, and have yourselves a wonderful day. Model Car Guy Rich out. I'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.